Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remotely ring the lost or missing phone in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on lost device protection, and from here turn on the allow this phone to be found button. And after turning on this button, you can open this website on your any Samsung device or any other device. And after opening this website, log into your Samsung account. Now after logging into your Samsung account here, click on ring to remotely ring the lost or missing phone. Now here click on start to start ringing, and to stop the ringing, swipe from the cross icon. Now swipe up from this cross icon. So that's how you can remotely ring the lost or missing phone in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.